Hello and welcome. Today we're going to compare Clementine player with Strawberry player. Uh, Historically, Clementine player was forked out of Amarok player from the KD project, and in 2018 Strawberry player forked out of Clementine project. So at the first look we can see that Clementine has small icons and overall small text, while the Strawberry player has bigger icons and bigger text, so it's kind of zoomed in a bit. And to compare the menus, the music menu I think is almost the same. Yes, yeah. Playlist maybe the same. Yes, more or less. The tools, I think here we see some difference. Yes, there are a few options missing in the Strawberry. I think they were removed on purpose. The extras menu is completely missing in Strawberry, and of course the help menu is present in both of them. So these are the latest versions of Clementine and Strawberry. So let's put these two players to work. Let's click here to add some music. We add music library from here. Let's say okay. So now it's playing. Let's do the same steps in Strawberry. Notice that this is called collection, while in Clementine is called library. So we add to the collection. Yes, it doesn't have any smart playlist like Clementine has, but let's see. One other thing to notice is that by default the volume is 100% in Strawberry and 50% in Clementine, and the cover, the CD cover is quite big here, while in Clementine is a small one. Of course you can configure it to be a large cover, like this, but it's a matter of choice. Let's see, this one can also have small covers. Yeah. Let's navigate through the menu here, the search one, and this has context. I think this is meant to showcase the albums you just played, while this one is more internet services. You can connect to internet services and then search through them. This is one of the main differences between these two players. One is more internet focused like Clementine, and the other is more collection focused like Strawberry. Let's see, files. This one is like a file browser. It's completely missing in Strawberry. I see here there is a queue. I think you can put things to the queue. Let's try it out. I think the shortcut was usually Control D. Oh, you can just, okay, so you can put more of them. So yeah, the queue is displayed here, and playlists, I think is, if you save this list here with this button and give it a name, my playlist, you can open it. Oh, this is new folder. Oh, so this is only for favorite playlists. Okay. I don't know, but I see here smart playlists. So these were moved out of the collection. And Clementine is in the library here. The smart playlist. This in Strawberry it has a separate entry. So another thing, the internet services are present in Clementine but absent in Strawberry. Devices, I think it's for devices like music players, phones, and so on. Song info. This connects to the internet and takes information about the song. Features that are completely missing in Strawberry. Also artist info, same. Completely missing in Strawberry. Maybe they are, oh, lyrics. Okay, so there is lyrics. They also have Scrobbler. I think it's the same as this function in Clementine. Yeah. Again, this button was removed from Strawberry. But let's dive into the settings on both of them. So behavior. This is not the same as the playback. Oh, there is behavior here. Yeah, so these two players have grown apart of each other, so they're not similar anymore. Let's keep it to English. music library and collection. We just went through this. Network, there is also here. Of course, proxy, transcoding. Does this mean that flag is the default? Strawberry? Maybe, yes. And MP3 is the last one. Interesting choice. But I will agree, flag is not ubiquitous, but it's keeping the quality of the original source. Network remote. This one is completely missing, and I would very like to have it in Strawberry. Wiimote, something in development mode, but I don't know how many users this has. So here we have backend, which is extra. Playlist and some scrobbler, covers, lyrics. I think this is covered in some information. Yes. Appearance. You can also control icon sizes here. I can see that. That's maybe why it is bigger icons than Clementine. Shortcuts. Nice feature here, X11 shortcuts when available. Internet services, this is again missing as expected. Mood bar is something I use. I think this one is appearance, maybe, yeah. Mood bar here. And I can see some very few streaming options. Targeting, I guess, mostly open source services. I'm surprised that they even have these features. And of course there are many streaming providers for Clementine. Yeah, so these were the settings or preferences for the application. What else could you really look at? The ripping function. Yeah, we need a CD for that. Then we skip it. Transcode music. They look the same. Yes, so these are two players which evolved each one their way. Clementine is focusing more on streaming and local playing, while Strawberry is mostly dedicated to local files and collections of music. Thank you for this time.